Well, hello everybody. Finally got a small tripod, so this is going to be an experience. I've gotten a couple of these little Brinks, and it was the first non-generic lock I could pick, and right now I seem to be able to pick it today, so we're going to give this a shot for Panda Frog's Christmas 2020. We have a Christmas elf here. Hey, I'm Christmassy. Well, we know you are, Polar Bear, because you've got your red Coca-Cola sweater. That's right! And I live Christmas all year round. I want Santa to bring me stuff every single day. We know, Polar Bear, but today it's about picking this lock. I don't know why you bother with picking. The key's much easier. No, it's true, but that's not the point. What is the point? The point is to use this pick. Don't make no sense. Well, it's kind of like using chopsticks instead of a fork. Forks are much easier. We know, Polar Bear. We know. Okay, so... Okay. Now just watch, I'm not being able to pick this. Felt some movement there. I am finding out that each lock is a little bit different. Okay. Of course, most of them say, we're not going to open for you. I am finding that tension, I'll start off light, and as I work on a lock and get frustrated, I find myself increasing the tension. Yes, got it. Sweet. Okay. So Merry Christmas, everybody.
So how come I didn't get to go see the Christmas lights?
Oh, you weren't left out, Polar Bear. We're taking you to the big light show.
Oh, okay.